Thank you for stopping by my poster. My name is Victor Marevici. I'm a PhD student at the Electronic Visualization Lab at the University of Illinois at Chicago. What you're looking at right now is a project named HealthBar. Recent research studies have shown that sedentary lifestyle is really bad for your health. And if you can break up that prolonged sitting time, there are a lot of health benefits, and you basically decrease the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and a lot of other bad diseases. So this project builds up on that concept, and we constructed a light tube that initially is green, and it reflects the health of the office worker. So as you sit down and you work on your computer, the health bar starts discharging and it reflects your health status that way. It's kind of like a computer game analogy. So it takes about 45 minutes to discharge completely. Um, and then if you want to recharge it, you need to take a break. A break means standing up, going away from your computer and walking or doing something else. And in that case, it takes about 5 minutes to recharge and get back to green. So for example, let's say you're working, and after 20 minutes you want to go grab a cup of coffee. That's a break. So in this case, the health bar would be probably of color around orange. It's not red yet, but it's definitely not completely charged. So the length also decreases, so it's somewhere in between fully charged and fully discharged. You go take a break, a 2-minute break. When you're gonna come back, it's gonna be green again. So proportionally to your break time, the bar will discharge or recharge depending on whether you are in front of your computer or not. And we actually did a quick preliminary user study with 8 people, and we get some really good results. People like the health bar. People at the end of the user study, everybody asked me whether they can continue using it. The color representation made a lot of sense for everybody. So now we're working on a second user study that's going to be for a lengthier period of time. The first user study was only for 5 days, so now we want to do a little bit more, probably something around 1 month, and see how people use the health bar and whether they actually take more breaks or not. And we also want to play around with different visualization methods, because right now we have the color representation of whether you need to take a break or not. And we would also like to play around with some other types of visualizations. Thank you for stopping by. If you have more questions, please send me an email. You can find my email on the poster. And if you have any other question, comment, anything, don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.